Alright guys, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. I'm on the back porch and I'm just kind of doing a little before deal. Well, this is kind of in the middle of it. Yeah, thanks Storm. Took down my canopy. I head out back. But anyway, what I'm in the process of doing here next is I'm getting rid of this nasty old carpet. Which means I got to move a lot of stuff in here. And what we're going to be doing is I got some 1/2-inch plywood. Going to be putting that on the floor all the way down. This is 8x16 all the way down. Basically, I'm going to cover the whole floor with the plywood, and then right where you see this old carpet stuff, we got some really nice new stuff to put down. It's industrial, and I'm gonna put that down. And then where you see the bare wood here, I'm gonna put down some heavy-duty linoleum, so we have a little bit of a mud area for our feet. But this is all kind of stuff. Yeah, everything's a mess right now because it is a work in progress. But anyway, just wanted to kind of show a little bit of before photos here, and you know, so I can have some comparison while I'm working on it. I still got to get the screens up. I still got to finish framing in this window and getting rid of that that piece right there. And yeah, move that damn electrical box so it's kind of covered from the weather. It was put up there when this side was all closed in, so now that it's open, I gotta move it. Alright, well, hang tight and you'll see some more. Alright guys, another little update. Kind of just doing some stuff here at on the porch. I added a little bit of burn to the windows here, and actually I got one coat of stain on it, but it's so damn light it's hard to see, so take a couple coats of stain. But yeah, you can see the difference between the two windows, where I stained and where I didn't. And like I said, I like the looks. It was a little too plain. I'll probably have something over these eventually, some other wood, but for right now I just added some character to them. And we're getting the floor done. It's coming along. I'm just doing one half at a time, and so that's what we got so far. Once this all gets set up and everything, next weekend I'll put down the rest of the plywood and move all that junk, get rid of that metal, yeah, whatever you want to call it. Get rid of this thing. Don't know what I'm going to use to store all this other stuff with, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, like I said, just do a little bit at a time. And she's getting there. It's coming along. Yeah, don't mind the house. It's dirty. I really need to get that cleaned up too. But we're getting there. We're getting there. It's a work in progress, so everything's a mess at the moment. And that wiring will be straightened out too. That's the other thing. Now at least kids went swimming yesterday, so that's all their swimming gear hanging out. Of course, right over the outlet, but at least I moved the outlet inside, where normally if you didn't hang your wet clothes over it, it wouldn't get wet. But anyway, alright, we'll catch you in a little bit. Oh hey, I almost forgot. I did finish framing this window back in. Again, you know, had to add another 2x4, get rid of that cross brace. Put a double sill up on it now. Same over here, another 2x4. And to make it the same height as the other windows, it's yeah, triple sill. 3 2x4s underneath, so it's I guess it's fairly sturdy. And like the rest of it, I burned in a lot of stuff here, so like I said, just to add some character to the wood. I'm not big on just plain wood, so adds a little bit of character to it. Alright, got one more thing to show you. Out here on the doorway, I got the trim put up on the other side of the door so that it just dresses it up a little bit and helps with the weather from getting in behind the slats that are up there. And again, you know, it was pretty much just a plain piece of wood, so we hit it with the torch. Should have thought of that before. I could have darkened the grain up on this one a little bit, but in real life it picks it up a whole lot better than the camera does, especially with the angle the sun's at right now. There's the steps. Anyway, it's getting done. It's just a work in progress, you know. It'll take me a little bit because I'm not working on it every day, 8 hours a day or anything, just a little bit at a time when I get a chance. But anyway, I also have other projects. I got an engine swap to do. I got to work on my camper, and hopefully in the next couple weeks I'll be putting that purple engine in my truck. I hope so anyway, and I'll keep you all informed on how that goes. But thank you all for subscribing. I want a big shout out to all my subscribers and everybody that's watching the stuff, and for those that like the automotive stuff, like I said, in a couple weeks I'll be getting back to that. But you know, life is life. Stuff happens. There's other stuff I got to do, and instead of not putting out any videos at all, I figured I'd just kind of let you know what other projects I'm up to. So y'all have yourselves a good day. Hope everyone had a good Father's Day and was safe over the weekend and everything. Y'all take care.